Hey everyone, today I will show you a quick demonstration on how you can sell digital products on Gumroad, and it will be an easy tutorial for the beginners. If you search Gumroad, click to the website, and if it's your first time here, you will have to sign up, which I will do. And after you're done signing up for the website, you will see that this is the dashboard or the home page. If you look on the left bar, there are home, products, posts, audience. I will let you know what those are later. And now we will click on create your first product. And right here you will select what type of product you want to sell. Right here you will choose a product that you want to sell, and here you will want to choose what product you want to sell from these types. And as for now, I will choose something that is simple to take care of. For an example, let's say I'll choose a membership, and for a gym membership maybe, let's say Goku Fitness Gym, right? And then you'll choose membership right here, and I will, for my price, I will put $7 a month, and then you will click next customize, and then you will be led here, and as you can see, this is a preview of what you will have. And right here is your description, and right here you can see that you can edit your description and your URL and your cover and thumbnail images that will be shown on your preview right here. And right now let's just describe my product saying welcome to the Goku gym, where we will turn a dad bot into a Goku bot. Lol. Alright, then maybe here I'll say Goku gym, right? And right here, as you can see, the right tab is where you can look at the preview of your domain. And right here we will type in our name, that is Goku Fitness Gym. There you have it, and we'll describe our product. Let's say welcome to the Goku Fitness Gym. We will transform dad bots into Goku bots. Lol. And there we have it. We can edit our URL as Goku gym right here if you want, wherever that is your preference. Right here we will pick our cover that will be seen on our preview cover right here from computer files, which I've downloaded Kogo themed. Right here we will upload files. Let's use something else from the Unsplash and type in gym. There you go. That's just for the example. And for the summary of your product info, you will write every tier has its privileges, wink sign, and you can add additional details that will help your customers decide to buy. I'll just leave that out. You can also turn on integrations to invite customers to your Circle community or Discord server. And right here, this will be tier 1. Let's say this is tier 1. Description: this tier allows you to drop weights, lol, or something, or whatever, right? And you can also turn on $7 per month, or 3 months, 6 months, and a year, and they're on. And you can also add more tier here. Let's say this is tier 2. This tier can join in group activities outside the gym, or something like that, and you can turn it on again. Let's say we'll increase this to $9, $27, $54, and $108, and there you go. And you can add something like that again, and you can offer a free trial, which is quite important. And these are the options that you can click on. And you can also edit your default payment frequency: a month, 3, 6 months, and a year. That's on your choice. And right here we will click save changes, and right here you can go to content, where you can edit and add more stuff, and your checkout, discount codes, and payment form. And for share to work, you have to save changes and publish, and we will try that out right now. Save changes, publish, and copy the link. And if we look up our link, this is what the preview of our domain will look like. Yep, $7 a month. You can subscribe here. And there you go. And that's how you can use Gumroad to sell digital products. I hope this was helpful. If indeed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.